Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to secure your internet connection and add an extra layer of protection while using the internet. The app we'll be using today is available on the Google Play Store. This app helps improve connection stability and basic online security. Open the Google Play Store on your phone and search for Litron Pro VPN. From the search results, make sure you select the correct app, then install it. On this channel we always share apps and guides that help improve online safety and connection performance. After installing the app, open it to start the setup. Once you reach the home screen, tap on the three-line menu icon. From the menu, select Update Resources. This allows the app to update its files so it can work smoothly and provide a stable connection. After the update is complete, return to the home screen. Next, choose your country or network from the list. For this example, you can select Uganda UDP, as UDP can offer better speed and stability depending on the network. You can choose any available country or network that works best for you. After that, tap on the Add Time option. This step is important because the app needs active time to keep the connection running. If the time runs out, the connection will stop, so make sure time is added. Once everything is set, tap on the Start button. The app will connect and your internet connection will be active with added protection. That's how you can set up Litron Pro VPN to get a faster and more secure connection while browsing online. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Like the video, share it with others who may find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.